System files corrupted by the Accessiblehandler Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we begin the manual steps for Accessiblehandler Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Accessiblehandler Library, the accessible content handler for Windows. It manages the localized UI Automation and MSAA, Microsoft Active Accessibility, hooks for modern applications. It bridges the gap between third-party screen readers and the localized visual elements in the Windows shell. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Because Accessiblehandler Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Accessiblehandler library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Accessiblehandler library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Accessiblehandler Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Accessiblehandler Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.